So, as far as sustainable engineering is concerned, before moving further for objective scope and outcome of sustainable engineering, first we will understand what is particularly sustainability and how it is different than our traditional engineering. Fine. Then we'll proceed further for the remaining two. So what is sustainability? As yesterday also we discussed, sustainable means a particular resource or a thing which is in a continuation mode. So what we mean by sustainability? It is the development that meets the need of present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. This sentence, whether you will like discuss sustainable development, sustainable energy, whatever topic will come across throughout the session of SE, this particular sentence you need to keep in your mind, like sustainability, or particularly if I will say a sustainable resource means what? I have a particular resource which is just fulfilling my present requirement and also have the ability for the future generation also. My voice is audible to all of you clearly? If you have any doubt, you can write on a chat box also, or you can ask also, because we are hardly 20 or 23. So in that there is no issue, okay? But switch on your mic when you need to ask certain thing, because then certain network issue is going to be there. Fine. So सस्टेनेबिलिटी से हम क्या समझ में आया हमें कि पर्टिकुलरली हमारे पास जो भी रिसोर्सेज हैं उसमें उसको यूज़ करते हुए हमें क्या करना है, हमारी जो प्रेजेंट नीड है उसको फुलफिल करना है, एंड ऑल्सो दैट शुड मूव ऑन फॉर द फ्यूचर वन ऑल्सो. That is the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Now comes this slide I like to share with you, because in the whole semester we will discuss about sustainable engineering, green engineering and all. But why the existence of SE come? So let me discuss for 5 minutes what is the difference between, we can say, traditional engineering and sustainable engineering. Nowadays, this is a subject also which generally used to MBA students also have sustainable engineering, sustainable resources. Fine. So as far as traditional engineering is concerned, हम उसमें क्या कंसीडर करते हैं? We considers the object. जबकि सस्टेनेबल इंजीनियरिंग में हम क्या करते हैं? Considers the system in which the object will be used. What is the difference between those two sentences? Can anyone explain? Yes, Krishna Gopal, Neeraj, Ashwini, तन्मय. सुनते नहीं रहना है, अपन को अपने ओपिनियन भी शेयर करना है, क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट वैसे भी इट इज़ अ थियोरेटिकल वन. If I will speak and you will listen, that will make you to sleep. So it should be two-way communication so that you will understand also, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Fine. So particularly in a traditional engineering, object used to be considered, whereas in my sustainable engineering, what I am considering, system in which object can be used. Object क्या हो सकते हैं? It could be water resources, soil resources, anything. Second is, in traditional engineering, we focus on technical issue, whereas in SE, we integrate technical and non-technical issue. How come? Because we consider, okay, technical issue should be included, but along with the usage of the wastage materials, और वापस हम उसको रीयूज कर सके. तो certain times, apart from technical issues, certain non-technical issue we need to consider. Traditional engineering, no doubt, solve our immediate problems, whereas in SE strives to solve problem for a indefinite future. That is the best thing which we can say for sustainable engineering. Now consider the local context. It consider the global context. Means traditional engineering, we have a very small vision. We are constrained only on for a one particular target. Whereas in a sustainable engineering, our vision is globalized. Assume other will deal with the political, ethical, societal issues. In traditional engineering, what we consider technical part is our concern, and remaining things will be managed by the political or social issues. Whereas acknowledge the need for the engineers to interact with the expert in other discipline related to the problem. Means सस्टेनेबल इंजीनियरिंग में हम टेक्निकल वाला पार्ट तो परफॉर्म करते ही हैं. अलॉन्ग विद दैट वी ट्राई टू डील विद आवर पॉलिटिकल, इथिकल एंड सोसाइटल इश्यूज टुगेदर. Now comes traditional engineering means it required to solve problem. They are presented with the best of their knowledge within the constraint of approval authorities, within schedule and financial constraint. That is a very simple approach. Whereas in a sustainable engineering, what happens? That it maximizes social benefits while minimizing ecological impact. How? So social effect, it comes community activities, employment rates, immigration. For economic activities, we can say business growth, employment rate, inflation. And as far as environmental effect comes, it comes out to be contamination, endangered wildlife, etc. Fine. Before moving further, I just want you to note it down certain key points of this difference. I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes because this is also very important question as far as your first unit is concerned, that what do you understand by sustainable engineering, how it is different than the traditional engineering. So if you want to write, then also if even you don't want to write, 2-3 बच्चे जिनको भी नोट डाउन करना है वो इसके की पॉइंट्स जो हैं पांचों में वो लिख दें, लिख लो कि ऑब्जेक्ट को कंसीडर करते हैं, लाइक इट कंसीडर सिस्टम इन विच ऑब्जेक्ट कम्स, दीज आर. ठीक है? ओके बेटा, कुछ बोला करो, हाँ हूँ, यस मैम, सो दैट आई विल फील लाइक यू आर लिसनिंग मी. ओके, सो now write down this. Okay, not completely but at least key point, so it is going to help you in exam. Fine. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Have you completed? लिख लिया बेटा आप लोगों ने? Okay. One more thing which I want to share here, which make you the difference between traditional and sustainable engineering. Like if we are think about move towards sustainable solution, whether it is a pollution control, process integration, whole facility planning, industrial ecology, sustainable communities like cities, regions, whatever it comes, mainly sustainability consider or focus on what? 3 things: less energy intensity per unit of product or service, lower material intensity per unit of product or service, or lower level of environmental toxicity and risk. Fine. Now we start main regarding our topics, that is introduction to SE. Fine. And then we'll move for, these are the very basic topic which we are going to complete soon, today itself. Fine. So now you come to know the difference. कोई एक जना बताएगा मुझे सस्टेनेबल और ट्रेडिशनल इंजीनियरिंग में क्या डिफरेंस है? किसी को समझ में नहीं आया? यस प्लीज, कोई एक जना. In a very simple words, sustainable engineering क्या है? That is a process for designing, or I must say any operating system which I am using for the use of energy and resources to be sustainable. Or either another word what I can say, the rate that does not compromise the natural environment or the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. What it means, if I am talking regarding traditional engineering, a particular engineering like computer science or I must say electronics, mechanical. So my focus is only what? Just to use that particular resource of that particular branch and move ahead without bothering for the natural environment, economy, social growth. Whereas sustainable engineering says, okay, fine, like computer science or electronics engineering could be my one object, but I concern for whole system, means I bother for the environment of country, economy of the country and the societal issue of the country. Now is it clear what we are learning? Means under sustainable engineering so many things will come, non-technical most of the times, but main focus will be like whatever we are planning to do or implementing a system, in that our main criteria is to manage environment as well as economy and social growth of our country, so that we can move ahead with the future generation also. Fine. Now sustainability consideration, there are so many approached by the engineers, like hazard substance generated by manufacturing process or hazard waste production that had to be constrained, like selecting certain manufacturing types like waste handling facilities and all, but the job limits are very less. Now comes, if I am focusing like I need to manage environment, economic and social growth simultaneously, then it comes out to be one part which is a main essential part of sustainable engineering, that is green engineering. So what is green engineering? It recognizes that these processes are often insufficient economical and environmentally. That is calling for the comprehensive systematic life cycle approach. So our green engineering supports or achieve what four targets? First is a waste reduction, material management, pollution prevention, product enhancement. That is one thing. Fine. I will give you chance to write these things in the last. The main thing which are very important. Let I complete once now. Okay, beta? Now comes objective of sustainability or sustainable engineering. So sustainability is the area of engineering that has the great importance. So what are the main objective? ये आप लोग लिख लो, that I will tell you to write down now itself. Before that, have you written definition of sustainable engineering or not? लिखी तुम लोगों ने या नहीं लिखी? लिख लिया? My voice is not clear? Voice is clear now or not? Why? It should be. Okay, I will try. Now it is audible. Fine. Now write down objective of a sustainable engineering. Now my voice is clearly audible to you? Yes or no? What are the main objective of sustainable engineering? First is it's better if you write down, because sometime it used to become what are the objective of SE. So I am just giving you key points. You need to make it elaborative. So first objective is pervasiveness of engineering activities in societies. Means what it means, whatever the use of engineering is there, usko societal platform pe lana, so that the technical learning which we are learning, that we can implement on environmental issues. Second is their importance in economic development and living standards. Yes, of course, our today's economic development is very much affected and under consideration of sustainable engineering. And the third is significant impact that engineering processes and systems have had and continue to have on the environment. These are the 3 points which are main objective. So in short, instead of writing whole sentence, you can write preservedness of engineering. Second is importance in economic development. And third is significant impact that engineering process and system have to continue on our environment. Fine. Now there are many other factors also that affects SE in moving towards engineering sustainability, like it includes selection of resource bearing, use of sustainable engineering processes, enhancement of the efficiency of engineering process, resource use, holistic adaptation of environmental stewardship in engineering activity. Now comes scope. What is the scope of sustainable engineering? So it has immense scope in the India for the professionals who are qualified in chemical, biological, thermal, radioactive, or even mechanical engineering. That is as a sustainable engineering. It is a diverse field and requires people from diverse backgrounds. This is a particular engineering in which it is a combination of biological, thermal, radioactive, and other engineerings too. The more sustainable buildings that are designed and constructed, the better our environment will be as a result. Everywhere we look for the sustainable design, that is to be able to reduce operation cost of the building. हर जगह हम ये क्यों चाहते हैं कि हमें सस्टेनेबल सिस्टम क्यों चाहिए? सस्टेनेबल सिस्टम भी चाहिए, और सस्टेनेबल मीन्स there is no break. A continuation resource is going to be move on. So naturally it is reducing our cost. But how? By simply utilizing the renewable energy resources makes your building less reliant on traditional power sources. Now, what will be the outcome of sustainable engineering? As in the today's scenario, we are focusing on ISE. So, इसके outcomes क्या रहेंगे? First, enhance livability, create opportunities for economic prosperity. The next is a foster environmental responsibility. Then embrace design excellence. demonstrate visionary leadership and strong governance. That are the major outcome of SE. If we focus on SE and impact of this sustainable engineering in the future of our country will be this. Please write down this. हो गया? लिख लो. Have you completed, beta? Okay. That's it for this first introductory unit. One more topic we'll discuss, but just I'm again recalling you in this particular unit. You have just slight introduction about SE, object, scope, and outcome. But okay, fine. I shared the key points with you, but you need to be look for the elaborative form of this, like as 5 to 6 outcome I told you. So you need to write down the details of these outcomes. That should be your main criteria. ठीक है? अब इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो, नहीं तो अपन मूव अहेड होते हैं. सेकेंड यूनिट तो अपन कल ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, सेकेंड यूनिट कल स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन अभी अपन एक और है इसमें, मतलब सेकेंड यूनिट का एक टॉपिक है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. दैट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल टॉपिक एंड आई थिंक बिफोर सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड द एरियाज ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी के पहले हम अगर उसको पढ़ लें तो इट विल बी लाइक मोर क्लियर टू यू फॉर टुमारोज लेक्चर. ठीक है, ओके. यस बेटा, है ना. सो आज जो अपन ने पढ़ा है इसमें मेन जो अपना क्राइटेरिया, मतलब मेन टॉपिक अगर अपन कहें तो वन थिंग इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेडिशनल एंड सस्टेनेबल इंजीनियरिंग, objective of sustainable engineering, and outcome of sustainable engineering. Among that, anything could be asked, because the particular unit, if we go by the unit wise or RTU curriculum also, 1 or 2 question, theoretical question could be asked. Fine. Any doubt till now? किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? ओके, चलो अब पहले अटेंडेंस ले लेते हैं, उसके बाद सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के बारे में अपन बात करेंगे. Yes, beta. Achal, give your attendance, na? Ankit Sharma. Ankit Sharma. Ashwin. Ashwin. Are you there? Bhavna. Bhavna, are you there? भावना हो? Disha, Gaurav. Disha is there? Janisha? Janisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Kesar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Kushal? Krishna Gopal? Kunal Mathur? Gela is there, and what about Kunal Mathur? Kunal? Okay. Mandeep? Neeraj? Neha? Payal? Pranav? Praveen? Praveen Galot? प्रवीण और प्रणव दोनों नहीं है क्या? शिवांगी, सिद्धार्थ, सिद्धार्थ, तन्मय, वैभव मंगल, एक और कौन लेफ्ट है अभी भी? मोहित, वंदना, okay. Now we are just starting with sustainable development. It is a part of second unit. We'll continue tomorrow. Let's see how much we finish within 5 to 10 minutes. Fine. Then again I will share. You want to stay in the same platform or should I send another link for the VLSI class? बोलो बेटा. तुम लोगों को भी ब्रेक मिल जाएगा. हाँ बोलो.
Same platform में do.
ना 10 minutes तुम लोग ब्रेक ले लेना and then again we will come together and then we'll start VLSI days. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay.
I think before starting sustainable development, we should start with sustainability itself. So, okay, fine. Within a break of 10 to 15 minutes, again we'll join here by the 3 o'clock for the VLSI design. ठीक है? Okay. Yeah.